trying to get Nana? I'm trying to take your picture, and you just come right up to the camera every time. What's that? Yeah, you gonna get the camera? You say, hi, Great Grandma. Say hi. Hey, I'm gonna get right into the camera so you can see me, Great Grandma. Yes, I am. What's that? Yeah, you put the flash down? You can put it back up? Yeah, that was pretty cool. You did it. You did it. Down and up. Yeah, say hi. Is Uncle Jeffrey getting in the light so we can't see you anymore? Yeah, say hi, Uncle Jeffrey. Hi, Uncle Jeffrey. Nana's backing away. Yes, I am. I'm getting away from you. No, you're gonna get me. Yes, you are. Hello. Hi. Hi there. Hi. Blow kisses? Mwah. You blowing? Are you practicing blowing out birthday candles? Yeah? What's Uncle Jeff doing?
Saying, me not doing school today, Nana.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Hello, Haley. Say
Look,
hi, Great Grandma.
What?
Hi.
What?
Hello. Hello, Miss Haley. Are you looking at Uncle Jeff? Yeah, da. Love you. I love you. Hello. Yes, right on the camera. Get your fingerprints right on it. What you got? You're pretty darn cute. Look at all those teeth you got. Yeah, You showing all your tricks? Can you blow kisses? Mwah. Mwah. Where's Haley? Where's Haley? Go play peekaboo? How big's Haley? Haley's so big. Where's Haley though? Go play peekaboo. Where's Haley? Where's Haley? Peekaboo. Hi there. Say hi there. What's that? What's that? Where'd it go? Hey, peekaboo. Hello. He's silly. Put the flash up and down again, huh?